Here it is. Opportunity to live in a mature and developed neighborhood while enjoying all the luxuries of an updated home in country Cllub estates. Fully developed large 2-story on-corner lot with private backyard and mature trees. 4 bedrooms / 3.5 baths and main floor laundry. Entertaining design with front living room / formal dining space, updated chef's kitchen with eat-up bar, granite countertops, stainless appliances and modern flair. Step down 2 steps and you found the walkout family room with wood fireplace, large window and access to large aggregate west-facing patio, manicured yard, mature trees for privacy and no neighbors behind. Upstairs master with walk-in closet and ensuite, wide hallways, bathroom and 2 more bedrooms. Main floor office / den and access to garage with DBL doors. Basement is fully developed with high ceilings, lots of natural light, storage, bathroom A.